down here. My cowboy boots for the cows. Nice fish. Look how white he is.
Catching this white bass, baby.
It's because of the muddy water.
Yep. You can't tell, too. It's all the way down his throat.
All the way down the gullet.
Yep.
My line's right in front of you. Just gonna. Oh, we got thumped. I got thumped. Oh, we got on. We're on. We're on. We're on. We're on. There we go. First one. Get on that white swim bait, just like he said it would. First one right there. Not bad. Let's get it going. Woo! There we go, we're on. We're on. We're on. Fish on. Fish on. Come on, bud. Get on up here. All right, biggest one of the day right there. Not bad, not bad. Fishing with a chatterbait with a white swim bait trailer. Not really a trailer, but some plastic on there. Thanks, buddy. There's a bite. Eat it. Oh, I got hit. It was probably a baby. There it is. Ooh. You think? That's a fish. Oh no, it came off. Oh my God. Oh my God. You think?
Yeah, right over there.
Dude, that didn't make any sense. That had to be a turtle, right?
I don't know, he's over there.
Been or not, but dude, that's a. It almost ripped through the swim bait.
It looks like it's bent.
Hell yeah.
That was probably that turtle. It's a big damn turtle, I promise you that.
I couldn't get any.
That's
I could.
Like what, 60-pound braid or something like that?
This is 30. Dude, what the heck was that?
That turtle I saw, his head was big as around the baseball or bigger.
There's no way that was a bass, dude. If it is, that was a 10-pounder. All right, we're moving spots here. I think I've caught two or three, and about 3 each. And then I hooked up in a I think what we think was a big snapping turtle because it was not moving, but it was moving enough. Yeah. Let's roll. Oh, I still got him. Get out of there. There's one. It is crazy how pink these fish are. That is literally like a salmon. I've never seen anything like that. Got you help. Bring it up right here. Bring it up right here. Bring it up right here. Relax, relax. Oh, freaking toad. Nice fish, man. Right here. Oh. Woo! Get us some air.
Yeah.
I think that water air, dude. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Good catch. You okay if I put you on the channel? Awesome fish, man. Get him up here and we'll get him back. That release, what'd you catch him on?
Little 4-inch little gizzard shad.
Sweet. Good catch, dude. I wasn't even recording. Damn. I got yours. I didn't get that one. Well, guys, I just caught another, maybe like 3/4 of a pounder. Wasn't recording though, but nothing really that needs to be on the record anyway, so. Oh, we got all the way to the bank. Oh, that's fish on. Get it. Stay down, stay down. It's running, it's running. It's worn out. Get it, get it, get it, get it, get it. It's in those reeds, dude. You're good, you're good. Awesome, awesome. Dude, it hit all the way out there. Woo! Yeah. Get some water. All right, sweet. Look, all right. Thanks. Get the release. Thank you, buddy. Woo! Figured I'd film a little outro. It was 30-mile-an-hour gusts. I'm not even kidding out here. So we took a chance. I thought it was successful. It was really good to get into that big one at the end. About 35 yards out, so it was a long fight. Probably one of the longest fights I've had. As always, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you later. Peace.